friends. This is Peace Be Still in the key of A, and this is a really simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you have so much fun. Make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below, you will find the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. All right, so this one I've simplified down to just 4 simple chords. It's really simple. There's a lot of repetition in this song. All right, so we have F sharp minor, A, D, and E. Okay, so let's go through those 4 chords. So if we look for this F sharp, it's right here. It's the first of the 3 black notes. I typically use fingers 1, 2, 5 to tuck in there. And so we're doing F sharp, A, C sharp. Okay, and I move further up into the chord because sometimes that helps me to hit all 3 of those notes more easily. Okay, and it's also kind of like an upside down triangle. Okay, we got 2 black notes on the top and white note in the middle. Okay, so that's our F sharp minor. Okay, then we move up here to the A note, and then we're going to pick up this black note in the middle. So we have A, C sharp, E. And this chord makes a triangle, kind of a regular triangle. The other one was upside down. So we have A, C sharp, E making up this triangle. Okay, so for this song, we have 2 more regular triangles. So if you freeze that shape, so to speak, in your hands, and I'm just moving fingers 2 and 4 out of the way so you can see which notes and fingers I'm playing. Okay, and then move up to the D position. So if you freeze that shape, move up to the D, and we're gonna play D, F sharp, A, and you can see that's a triangle shape again, okay? D, F sharp, A. Okay, if you freeze that shape and move up 1 set of notes, you're in the E major position. So we have E, G sharp, B, and that's it. Okay, so that's pretty simple to know that this song has 4 chords, and they're all triangle shapes. One is upside down, where I've kind of come in here. So we'll review those. That's the upside down F sharp minor. Then we have the regular A triangle, D triangle, and E triangle. That's it. All right, so left hand is going to be playing just single notes to keep it simple. Like I said, this is simplified for you. So we have F chord with our F sharp with our F sharp chord up here. Okay, single notes down here. Then we have A. Let me see where I'm going to put my pinky. I'm going to put pinky on G. Okay, there's the A to A, D to D, single notes over here on the left hand. And then our E, and for that E, I'm just going to open that thumb up 1 note there, and then I'm going to have to swoop down and get that F sharp. So I kind of want to keep pinky on G and keep my 5 fingers here this whole song. All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1, and then we'll break down the rhythm for you, okay? And I don't want to be afraid every time I face the waves. I don't want to be afraid, and I don't want to be afraid. I don't want to fear the storm just because I hear it roar. And I don't want to fear the storm, and I don't want to fear the storm. All right, so let's talk about repetition first, and then we'll break down the rhythm. So if you look at verse 1 and 2, they're the exact same chords, okay? Just changing up the words. If you also look at lines 1 and 3, they're repeating, and lines 2 and 4 repeating. So really in this song, a bulk of your song can just go through the chord progression of A, F sharp minor, E, A, F sharp minor, E, okay? Let's talk about the rhythm of how the 2 hands are brought together. So this song is written in 4/4 time signatures. So the 2 hands are going to come together like this. 1, 2, I shouldn't use numbers because it's not always like that, but it's together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. It's that nice marching rhythm to just give you a foundation to play this song. All right. And then also, since we're talking about patterns, if you look at the chorus, there's some, the chord progression of D, E, F sharp minor, A. Repeat, D, E, F sharp minor, A. And then in the bridge, we have a new chord progression. It's D, E, A, D. Spells the word dead. D, E, A, D. Okay. So look at those patterns. Notice how there's a lot of things that are just syncing up, right? The verses are the same. The chorus has this set of chords that repeat, and the bridge has these set of 4 chords that repeat. Okay, we're still working with the same 4 chords through the whole song. It's just changing up the chord progression to kind of change up the sound of the music. All right. All right. So let's slowly go through verse 1 together. Start with that A major chord, and we're just going through this 3 chord progression: A, F sharp minor, E, repeat. Okay. And I don't want to be afraid every time I face the waves. I don't want to be okay, here's that F sharp minor, pinky up here in the left hand. Afraid. And I don't want to be okay, this is a little bit of a change to go up to that E here with our thumb. Afraid. I don't want to fear the A chord. Storm, just because I hear it roar. And I don't want to fear the, okay, F sharp minor again. Storm, and I don't want to fear the E. Storm. Okay, great. Now we're going to move into that chorus. We just moved to the D, which is right next door. We're freezing shapes, right? We're kind of keeping this triangle 1, 3, 5 in that position, then move into the D chord. Okay. Peace be still, say the E word, and I will set my F sharp minor feet upon the sea till I'm A, dancing in the deep. Okay, it moves to the D again. Repeats that same 4 chords, okay? Peace be still, you are E, here, so it is well, even F sharp minor. When my eyes can't see, I will A, trust the trust the voice that speaks. Okay, then it ends on that D there. Okay, then it goes into verse 2, which is the same as verse 1. The instrumental can kind of transition you into D, E, A, D chord progression. That's going to merge you into the bridge. I was going to say bridge you into the bridge, but it'll merge you into that 4 chord progression of the bridge. Okay. Let faith rise up, oh E, heart believe, let A, faith rise up in D, me, repeat. Let faith rise up, oh E, heart believe, let A, faith rise up in D, me. Okay. And then it can bridge, merge you back into that chorus as well. She does sing an octave higher. I think she goes, in the bridge, let faith kind of stays in that level. And then when she repeats that bridge, she shoots it up an octave higher vocally, which is really beautifully if you have that range. All right. I'm going to play it beginning to end. This one is pretty simple. You can just go through right hand only, then left hand only, and then bring the 2 hands together if you need to. Kind of break it up into sections, work through the verses, then work through the chorus, then the bridge, and then wrap it all up and come together. All right, play along with me. Have a lot of fun. If you make a mistake, just find your next chord or word or syllable to keep going. We can do it. Here we go. And I don't want to be afraid every time I face the waves. I don't want to be afraid, and I don't want to be afraid. I don't want to fear the storm just because I hear it roar. I don't want to fear the storm, and I don't want to fear the storm. Peace be still, say the word, and I will set my feet upon the sea till I'm dancing in the deep. Peace be still, you are here, it is well. Even when my eyes can't see, I will trust the voice that speaks. I'm not gonna be afraid, 'cause these waves are only waves. I'm not gonna be afraid, and I'm not gonna be afraid. I'm not gonna fear the storm, you are greater than its roar. I'm not gonna fear the storm, and I'm not gonna fear it all. Peace be still, say the word and I will set my feet upon the sea till I'm dancing in the deep. Peace be still, you are here, so it is well. Even when my eyes can't see, I will trust the voice that speaks. Let faith rise up, oh heart, believe. Let faith rise up in me. Let faith rise up, oh heart, believe. Let faith rise up in me. Let faith rise up, oh heart, believe. Let faith rise up in me. Let faith rise up, oh heart, believe. Let faith rise up in me. Peace be still, say the word and I will set my feet upon the sea till I'm dancing in the deep. Peace be still, you are here, so it is well. Even when my eyes can't see, I will trust the voice that speaks.